Happy Valentine's Day, and yes, I am sorting M&Ms. Can you believe it? That's the story of my life. Well, anyways, it's Valentine's morning, and I am sorting M&Ms, like I was just saying. And I'm just taking out all of the little red pieces. I didn't go ahead and buy, you can buy, I guess, the red and pink and white mixed M&Ms, but I didn't want to go and spend money on that. So I already had a whole bunch of M&Ms, as you can see. So I just went ahead and sorted those out and used those for today's lunch. So Valentine's Day lunches are fun to make, and you can be so creative with them, and you don't have to break the bank on making these lunches. I just used store-bought honey flavored teddy bears, these Teddy Grahams, and these are perfect because teddy bears and Valentine's Day go together. And I'm using my little red M&Ms that I sorted out. I'm just going to mix the teddy bears and the M&Ms together, so it'll be like a graham cracker chocolate kind of thing going on in there. Next thing I'm going to do is going to take some strawberries, and I'm going to cut those into heart shapes. And I'm just basically washing them first and then just drying them with a paper towel. And after I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the stems. And I just basically take a knife and then just cut off like a triangular shape, like from both sides of the top. So that kind of gives you like the little heart indentation. So this is my first time actually doing this, and it came out pretty cute, I think. And I hope the boys enjoy it. I'm not giving them too many, I'm just giving them 3 a piece. And I'm going to also be sprinkling some pink sprinkles on top. I know it's a little girly, but hey, it's okay. I think the boys can be well-rounded. Next thing I'm giving them today is going to be some meat and cheese. And I'm using these Cracker and Barrel white cheese, and I'm just taking a little heart cookie cutter, a small one, and just getting some heart shapes out of these cheeses. And I'm just, I got 4 out of each cheese, and these little cheeses are like pretty much appetizer cheeses, so they're cut into squares already, and they're small squares, so I'm not wasting a whole bunch. The remainder of those cheese, you can stick it back in the freezer and munch on those later, put it on a salad or just eat them directly. Next thing I did was take the rotisserie deli cut meat. It's the chicken breast, and I just took 1 slice, and that's enough pretty much for my boys. So I was trying to figure out how to put it into their lunchbox, trying to get creative and maybe do a rose or whatever, but that didn't work. So what I did was just fold it in thirds and then just kind of rolled it up. And I just stuck it into the little compartment in their Yumboxes, and I stuck the little cheese hearts right in front of that, so those fit perfectly. And that little compartment it's kind of small, so but all of that fit in there, which is really awesome. The next thing I'm doing is giving them some Uncrustables, and these are actually homemade Uncrustables, and they're very easy to make. So you're going to need some sliced bread, and I just used like some sandwich cut breads, and you're going to use some jam, and I just used some strawberry jam. And I have 2 different kinds of sandwiches going here. I have one almond butter with strawberry jam, and the other one is going to be the chocolate hazelnut spread with the strawberry jam. And the strawberry jam is obviously red, and it ties into the Valentine's theme, and the chocolate is perfectly fine as well. Chocolate and peanut butter. I think those are perfect combinations for Valentine's Day. So I have one child that likes the peanut butter and the other one that likes the chocolate. Hence, I have 2 different sandwiches going on here. So I'm just using my little Uncrustable cutter and just cutting out the little shapes and pressing the seal to go ahead and seal in the little sandwiches. So I really enjoyed making these little Uncrustables, and you can actually make a whole batch of these and freeze them and just make it really quick for your kids to have lunch or snacks after school or whatever you want to use them for. And you can actually put different types of fillings inside. So next thing I'm doing is taking also a little mini cookie cutter. This is a heart-shaped one. And then just putting little indentation marks on those Uncrustable sandwiches, and just adding miniature plastic forks so they can use those to eat their strawberries. And I'm just using some little love notes that I made these before, and perfect ones, so I love these for Valentine's Day. and I do love them. I love my boys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and happy Valentine's Day, and enjoy it with your loved ones, and I will see you guys on another one. Bye!